Alright, today we're going to check out the 200-gram cake Wreckless by World Class Fireworks. 16 shots. But we're going to fire it with the Hot Shot Cue firing system by TNT. You can buy this I got this at Kid Dynamite Fireworks in Lexington, Tennessee for $49.99. It comes with the reusable fireworks launcher, and it comes with 7 igniters. So this is reusable. You just use a 9-volt battery, but the igniters are one-time use, so you will have to buy more of those. But it is Bluetooth. That's all you need, and you can shoot up to 6 fireworks manually. So, but I'm gonna let my 5-year-old son Cameron hit the button tonight. It'll be his first firework he's ever lit off, so I know he's excited about that. So, well, when it gets dark, we'll hook all this up and we'll have a little fun. All right, Cameron, ready to push the button? Hit number 1. Number 1 at the top. Hit OK. Here it goes. All right.